Geology is the study of the earth. Geo means earth, and ology means study of. This is a very simple definition for something so complex. Geology involves studying the materials that make up the earth, the features and structures found on earth, as well as the processes that act upon them. Geology also deals with the study of the history of all life that's ever lived on or is living on the earth now. Studying how life and our planet have changed over time is an important part of geology. Typically, geology is divided into two categories: physical geology and historical geology. Physical geology deals with the study of the physical features of the earth and the processes acting on them. This includes volcanoes, earthquakes, rocks, mountains, and the oceans, just about any feature of the earth. Historical geology is the study of the history of the earth. Historical geologists focus on what's happened to Earth since its formation. They also study the changes in life throughout time. In historical geology, you essentially get to travel back in time to the formation of the Earth and move forward through time, witnessing the changes in Earth itself and the life on it. Geology has been of interest to humans as far back as ancient Greece in the 4th century. Aristotle was one of the first people to make observations about the Earth. This was also the first time that scientists and philosophers noted a difference between rocks and minerals. The Romans became very adept at mining certain rock for use in building their empire, especially marble. In the 17th century, fossils were being used as a way to understand what happened to the Earth over time. These fossils played a key role in the debate about the age of the Earth. For a while, and even in some cases today, theologians and scientists have been at odds about the age of the Earth. Theologians believed the Earth was only about 6,000 years old, while the scientists believed it to be much older. In the 18th century, scientists started focusing on minerals and mineral ores, since mining was an important part of global economies. During this century, two main theories came forward explaining some of the physical features of the Earth. One theory believed that all rocks were deposited by the oceans during flooding events. The second theory believed that some rocks were formed through heat or fire. This debate continued into the 19th century until James Hutton proved that some rocks are formed by volcanic heat and fire processes and others are formed by sedimentation. Hutton also explained that all the processes we see going on today are the same processes that happened in the geologic past and that they occurred very slowly. In other words, the erosion that is occurring to our mountains today is the same